I just wanted to make a video saying I wanted a day off from doing nothing. I mean nothing. No phone calls, no nothing. Not even the smallest phone call that lasts a couple seconds, nothing. I've been busy. Merge Ortho. It's a orthopedic place. It's for my spine. So I went there. I had some doctor's appointments and I have therapy once a week, or once every 2 weeks. Yeah. Yeah. So I just hope nothing will happen today. Also, we have no air conditioning, so if you hear something in the background, it's a big ass fan and a small fan. That is all.